So what I'm going to show you here is how Copilot can help you within PowerPoint. The first thing I'm going to show you is how you can create a presentation in Copilot using an existing file. Corbel are going to be launching some on-site cyber training modules later on this year, so I'm going to use that document to sort of demonstrate. So as with the other applications, Copilot gives you some popular prompts that you can use, and you can actually view further prompts by clicking this button here. But in this instance, I want to create a presentation from an existing file. So I select the document that I want it to base the presentation on, and then it's as easy as just pressing the send prompt, and then in the background, Copilot will start to create this presentation for me. So within a matter of minutes, I have a presentation ready that's based on the document that I attached. It will even actually put in what it thinks is relevant imagery, and it will add to speaker notes as well. So we'll just quickly flick through. It's automatically put an agenda in for us, which takes the sort of headings in the document that I attached, and then it's basically sort of broken it down. And I would say that I think the imagery is quite literal, so that might be something that I want to play around with. But in a lot of instances, it will create graphics to go with the point that you're trying to demonstrate. So it's taking a flat document and it's actually producing you a really usable PowerPoint presentation within a matter of minutes. So the second thing that I'm going to show you is actually how you can add a relevant image to a slide. So I'm just going to take the first slide and ask Copilot to add an image to it for me. I'm deliberately keeping it really vague, so I'm just saying, if I can spell it right, add a relevant image to slide 1. And so Copilot will get to work on that. And there we go. Within about 10-15 seconds, it's added an image, it's resized everything on the slide. So you can really see how easy it is there to produce quite a powerful PowerPoint presentation.